Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with my girl Leah.
Hey.
And a lot of you have been asking me, how do I get that glowy skin? Well, the secret is skincare, and I'm going to show you how I get that with the dermaplaning and a few other little tips and tricks before I put on foundation. So stay tuned. Alright, so first key is that I'm going to start off with cleaning the skin, and I use this Dear Dahlia cleansing water. And I clean to make sure everything is nice and clean. This is my favorite new gadget. So this is the DERMAFLASH, and what it does, have you ever had this done?
No.
Alright, so basically what it does is it'll exfoliate all the dead skin and all the little peach fuzz. Since we're doing macro shots of the makeup, you see every little thing, and this is going to remove any of the fuzz. Just goes in, it's the little tiny...
But I know what you're talking about when you can see the peach fuzz with the foundation.
But then I also do right here, because a lot of times people have little tiny hairs that connect. See those little outside ones? And that just gets rid of the fuzz and the top of the cheek everybody has, and it makes that highlight pop. So then I'm going to go back in with a little bit more water and just clean it off. Then I'm going to use a little bit of this Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix, and it's just going to plump the skin.
That's what I needed.
Just gives a nice hydration. And then basically, because I want to make sure that the skin is nice and plump and super bright, because I want to use as little foundation as possible, so that whatever concealer and stuff, there's less fine lines. So I'm going to take the CEO Sunday Riley. It's a vitamin C, and I'm just going to use a little bit of that.
It smells so good.
Yeah. So I'm going to use for the lips, I like to use this Cosmedix lip mask, and I just preps the lips and plumps them later on. So I'm going to take this Sunday Riley Title, and I'm going to use a little bit of it to just hydrate the skin and get that nice and prepped for makeup.
I would leave my house just like this. Like, I look really good right now.
Yeah. People don't realize that skincare is like so necessary. They're always they're like, oh, I just want to be able to like have makeup on, and I want to be able to do this, and I'm like, whenever you have a good base, it takes so much less makeup. So this is the look, and thanks for checking it out, and stay tuned for another video